Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast. I am Heru Putrayana.
And I'm Gasan Alif Sabian. We are happy to have you with us today.
Today we're going to discuss a topic that has become an important part of our daily lives, the internet and email.
That's right. Almost everyone uses the internet every day, whether for studying, working, communicating, or simply for entertainment. So let's get started.
First of all, Gasan, can you explain what the internet is?
Of course, the internet is a global network that connects millions of computers and devices around the world. It allows people to communicate, search for information, watch videos, study online, and play games, and use many digital services. Today, it's hard to imagine life without the internet because it has become an essential part of our daily activities.
I completely agree. I use the internet almost every day, especially for studying, searching for information, and chatting with my friend.
Exactly. Students use the internet to find learning materials, attend online classes, and submit assignments. Workers use it for online meetings, sending documents, and working remotely. Business also rely on the internet to promote and sell their products.
The internet clearly has many benefits. Could you mention some of the most important ones?
Sure. First, the internet provides quick access to information. We can learn almost anything within seconds. Second, it makes communication easier through messaging apps, video call, and social media. Third, it supports online learning and online shopping. And finally, it offers entire entertainment such as music, movies, and games.
Those benefits really make our life easier. However, are there any disadvantages?
Yes, there are. If people don't use the internet carefully, they may become victims of online scams, fake news, cyberbullying, or computer virus. Spending too much time online can also affect our physical and mental health and reduce face-to-face communication.
That's good reminder. So we should always use the internet wisely and responsibility. Now let's move on to another important topic. Email. What exactly is email?
Now, let's move on to another important topic, email. What exactly is email?
Email stands for electronic or mail. It is service that allow people to send and receive message through the internet. Besides text message, user can also send photo, video, document, and many other types of files.
Some people think messaging app have replaced email. Is email still important today?
Absolutely, email it is very important because it is widely used for formal communication. School, university, company, and organization use email to send official information. In addition, many websites require an email address when creating an account.
How do students usually use email?
Students use email to send assessment to teacher or lecture, receive anno- announcements from school or university, register for online learning platform, and communicate with classmates. Email is also commonly used when applying for scholarship, internship, or jobs.
That's true. I also use email whenever I need to submit a segment or receive important information for my university. So, what are the main advantages of email?
Email is fast, easy to use, and free as long as you have an internet connection. It allows users to send message to many people at the same time and attach important file. Another advantage is that email are stored safely, so user can easily find out message whenever they need them.
That makes email very useful, especially for school and work. Before we finish, could you share some tips for using email safely?
Of course, first create a strong password using a combination of letter, number, and symbol. Second, never share your password with anyone. Third, be careful when opening email from unknown senders. Never click suspicious link because they may contain phishing attempt or malware. Finally, always log out of your email account when using a public computer.
Those are those are excellent tips. Staying safe online is just as important as enjoying the benefits of technology.
I could agree more. Technology is very helpful, but we must use it responsibly to protect our personal information and maintain good digital habits.
Before we end today's episode, let's have a quick summary. The internet is a global network that helps us communicate, learn, work, and access information from around the world.
An email is one of the internet most useful service because it use allow us to send message and important file quickly, safely, and professionally.
We hope today's discussion has helped you understand more about the internet and email.
Remember to us both wisely, safely, and responsibly.
Thank you for listening to our podcast today.
We hope you learned something new and found this discuss useful.
See you in our next episode. Stay safe, stay tuned, and keep learning.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.